Hi guys, this is Saga from Creativity Influencer. So guys, have you ever thought of making a cartoon animation for free and without any course and that too on a laptop or computer? So guys, this is the best opportunity that you can try out in the lockdown period as I have tried before and I really got amazed by making this animation. So guys, here is a short video that I have tried recently and it is really cool and awesome. So have a look. So guys, this is the Dad Studio software. So this is how it looks like. Guys, if you want to make the animation video like that, watch the video till the end. So firstly open the browser and in the URL section type in dash3d.com slash dash central. So this URL will go take you to this dash 3d's website. So here is a download button. So click on it and the download will start. So guys, my internet speed is low, so it will take time to download. So guys, I have recently installed the software in my PC. So I'll show you how it looks like. I have opened it. So guys, after opening, you need to sign in here. So guys, this is how the software looks like, guys. So guys, here you need to install the Dance Studio. So you need to click on the install, which is seen here. So click on it. Guys, the installation is over to 50%. So I show you the version details. So click on the Dash Studio to see the version details. So here it is. So the version is 4.12 and the size is 1.1 GB. Now guys, if you go to my assets, you can install many characters as you want and you can use these characters in Dash Studio. Guys, now at last it got over to 90%. Guys, this will take only 10-15 minutes to get installed if we have only good internet speed. Guys, now the installation has reached 100% and it took around 35 minutes to install because my internet speed got reduced. Now guys, next I'll show you how to make the characters in the Dash Studio. So let's begin. There are two methods to open the Dash Studio, so I'll say both ways. So here is the method one. So guys, after the installation of the Dash Studio, the Dash Studio will get installed on desktop. So you can directly open it from the desktop. So this is how the software looks like, guys. Now I'll show you the method two. So from the Dash Center, you can open it, guys. Here it is. So click on the open. The Dash Studio will get opened. So I'll start off with method two. So guys, here also there are two methods. So the method one is, so after the software opens, there will be a small welcome page which you can see on the screen. So this is the welcome page. So the welcome page name is Dash Studio Home. So guys, on the welcome page, you can see many things like scene builder, interactive tutorials, kickstart guide, user guide, training videos, and then Dash marketing place, then Dash wiki. So here you can start up with any of the things. So guys, I will prefer you can either start with the training videos or the user guide or the quick start guide, guys. So now I'll choose a option in that which is this quick start guide. So the quick start guide page has appeared on the screen. So in this, there are four options. There's show text, show video, start lesson or cancel. So guys, here show text is like the catalog of the software, which will guide you how to use the software with images and instructions. And guys, it will be in the form of PDF. If you want this PDF, you can check out my description and you can download it. Now coming to method 2, in the quick startup guide, click on the cancel and then go to the left top corner, and here there are two things that you can see, that is files and products. So if it is on files, under the files there are many things like accessories, anatomy, animations, cameras and so on. So now under the environments, click on the figure, or you can directly click on the figure. So there is a triangle over here, you click on it and click on the people. So here click on the triangle, and then there are two things here, that is female and male. So guys, you can prefer anything, so any things of this. So here I'm clicking on male, I click on the real world, and I click on the Genesis 8 basic male. I mean double click on it, and the character appears on the viewport. Guys, now it's time to dress up the character. So for that, hold the slider and slide it down. Now there is a wardrobe here, so there is a triangle over here which you can see. So click on it, go down. So click on this triangle which you can see on the screen, go slide it down, and click on the bottoms, and select this basic wear boxes and double click on it. Now click on the tops, and then click on the basic wear t-shirt. Guys, now it's time to give the hair to the structures. So for that, here is the hair. So click on this triangle and click on the shot, and then double click on this Armani hair. Now guys, the character is ready, so it's time to give the animation poses to this figure. So let's begin. So give the animation to this figure, slide the slider a bit up, and here is the animation. So click on it, and guys, here there are many animations, so you can select any of your choice. So I'll show you an example over here. So look carefully. Now select the bow. You have to double click on this, and then I'll double click on this cake, and I will select double click on this boxing. Now guys, have given the animation poses to this figure. Now I'll play and show you how it works. So guys, this is the animation of this figure. So guys, hope you like this video. So guys, in the upcoming videos I'll show you how to give the lip movements, and how to give your face to this figure and all. So guys, if you like this video, give it a like, and subscribe my channel to stay tuned.